Hello guys, now started with an online classes in class 10. Now discussing about the topic is chemistry. Now starting from in the first chapter of the chemistry in chemical reactions. This chemical reactions means what? Already you can read in previous classes in ninth class and 8th class too already you can read in chemical. Chemical means what? Chemical means also intermixing of the newly one of the product. Intermixing of is one or three or both, but intermixing is newly product. Okay, this chemical reaction. This chemical reaction how like to can having how like to can you can take it in two positions means two products or two items and two reactions and reaction newly can product one newly product. Intermixing of the for example you take it in one of the water and of the one salt in two also one of the reactants. This both also can intermix one of the water to can put it means water one newly product means salt water. And this is also chemical reaction. This chemical reaction means water you can take it any products is intermixing is newly can reaction having means newly product came. Now some examples I give. This is some situations. These situations already can read in previous classes. Now once again you can repeat. Now is physical situation. Physical. Okay, this is of the physical situation and this is chemical situation. Now topic is physical situation. Already you can read in physical properties in previous classes in ninth. In physical properties means what? State changes and shape changes, and for example you take it in a liquid, gas and solid, this type of changes in physical properties. Now these properties can change but this matter not change. Okay, what you can say means the shape not change, size not change. Okay, this is only physical properties. But chemical means what? Chemical reaction means but must and should change. This change for a newly product. Now you can take it in two balls. For example, these two balls is intermixing is newly one ball is big ball. This is only chemical reaction. This is ball like structures. Now in circle like structures, you take it in newly one of the ball is intermixing. Now this is one of the drawn from in one of the one of the picture I'm drawn and leveling up the also I'm do. Once you can see this is physical and this is chemical. Now this is of the once example. Now you can see guys, physical and chemical in both also difference having. Physical and take it one paper, another also one paper. Now water and that to keep it in ice cubes and then after one man. Now this four also I take. This four characters I take. Now first character is paper. Paper and this paper can cut down. Okay, paper can cut down. But both also can paper only came now. This is a cut down, but pieces having, but paper only came, but not change in newly product not came. And newly and that's why only this is physical properties. Understand? Physical means no change in shape and size. Okay, now understand. Now another one is this water. Water to can ice cubes put. But you can put it, but came from in water only. Okay, water too can ice cubes put, but water only came. Understand? That's why this not change in states. And this is only physical properties, not change in newly not product came. And that's why this is physical properties. Now another these two products over and these two characters over another two characters present. Now paper only and take and this paper to not cut down and can burn. Paper is burnt means you can fire. Fire having means what having has and smoke like. It means as is paper not, smoke is paper not. And that's why this is newly product came, not paper not came. And that's why this is chemical properties. Understand? You can do it already. Chemical reaction means you can take it any two no any two product and any one product. You can do chemical reaction after newly one product came. That's why this is also chemical product. Means you can chemical reaction you can do it means must and should heat like substance must and should having heat must and should having. Why? Because any one product you can heat having. That's why you can do it means you can do it means that's why you can came in newly product. And that's why you can untake in paper. Then after you burnt, not cut down, burnt after you can do it means this is ash and smoke like. This is ash means water. This is a this is a newly product only. Both also newly. Then smoke is another one product and ash also another one product. That's why this is chemical properties and chemical reaction. Now another one character is a man. And every man also, me also, and you also. Now every day to day life, this respiration main important. You can take it means take it means inhale means water. You can take it in respiration in oxygen means exhale means water. This you can excel means you can release the carbon dioxide, and means you can take it in oxygen, you can release the carbon dioxide. This is also you can take it one product, you can release in another one product, and you another one product you can release it. This is also chemical process. Understand? You release this newly product, you can anyone you can take it, release the anyone newly product, that product not release, and another one newly product you can take it. This is what reaction? Chemical reaction. And this is only physical and a chemical reaction. Understand? Now now small example, situation solver. Now you can see guys, now I'm taking A plus B. This is not an arrow key, this is gives rise to. Understand? A plus B gives rise to. Okay, gives rise to, gives rise to, gives ray. This is one of the ray like structure. That's why this is gives rise to, ray. Raise to. 2 means that's 2. Okay, you can take it A plus B. Your newly product is C plus D. Okay, newly product is C plus D. This is two products can take it, and newly product came. Newly product na that number will not came, that letter will not came. But this is process to can do it. Must and should heat like substance. Must and should. This is heat symbol. This is triangle symbol is heat. Heat must and should. These two products can heat down. Is newly product came. This total process is a chemical reaction. Now this is only this two only chemical reaction definitions present. Now listen guys, this is two also reactants. Okay, this is one of the reactant, this is one of the reactant. You newly came is products. Understand? This is reactants. This is chemical reactions. Chemistry also, you one equation can done, then after you can you only can definition also you only can create it. Now once you can see guys in definition I'm saying any two reactants, again any two reactants heat with formation of newly product is chemical reaction. Any two reactants can heat with newly product, newly substance like is called a product. His name is a chemical reaction. Understand? Any two reactants can take a heat like substance can do it means can newly formation of products. His name is chemical reaction. This total process is chemical reaction. Understand? Now products means what? Two reactants is a heat substance like having means newly one came is products. Okay, two reactants heat like substance having means to formation of one of the new formation is called name is product. Okay, reactants. Now guys, one of the example you can see guys, H2 plus O2 means H2O. Guys, you can see this is both also two reactants. Hydrogen one of the reactant, oxygen one of the reactant. But Km is water molecule. This is only water molecule. This is main important. You can write in hydrogen. And but newly came water. Understand guys? This is both also two reactants and came from water, and that reactant not came. Understand? You can take it in heat formation. Okay, you heat formation having means is newly product came. This is name is water molecule. Okay, two reactants can formation of heat formation substance like structure is called name is newly product came. That product is water. Okay, understand? Two reacts is intermixing of heat and formation of newly product is called H2O means water. Understand guys? Now that's why, but you can see guys, this is H2 present, H2 present, but here O2 two molecules present. Now two elements and two atoms, and these two atoms are now came in only single atom present. What having? This is unbalanced equation. What is this? Is a unbalanced equation. Now next topic is balanced equation and unbalanced equation. Once you can see guys, Case 1. Case 2. H2 plus O2 is equal to H2O.